Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use while loop in Python. For example, if we want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, we will take a constant I which is equal to 0 and write while I is smaller than 10 and put a colon. We take 10 because we want numbers from 1 to 10. So while loop is used to repeat a set of statements while a given condition is true. For example, I is greater than 10. So now we increment I. So we type I is equal to I plus 1. And then we write print I. So when when the first time the code runs, so I is 0 first of all, and we know that I is smaller than 10. So it will enter the loop and then I will become 1 because I is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. So we'll get the output 1. Then again, it will go up here. Then again, and the value of I is 1 now. So 1 is greater than 10, we know that. And then it will come here, then it will increment, then I will become 2, and then 2 will be printed. So the loop will keep running until I becomes 10. So until I becomes 11, because 11 is greater than 10. So the loop will break and it will stop running. So let's run the code. As you can see, we have the numbers from 1 to 10. So this is how we can use while loop. Now, if you want to print only the even numbers, we can even numbers from 1 to 10. So we can say I is greater than 10, and then we can increment the value I is equal to I plus 1. Then we will use if. So if I modulus, this is the modulus sign which gives the remainder. So I modulus 2, that means if the remainder is 0, if we divide I by 2, and if the remainder is 0, the number is even. So if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, 0, print I. And now we won't put an else statement because we only want the even numbers. So let's run the code. As you can see, we only have the even numbers. So this is how we can use while loop in Python. There are many ways we can use this. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.